Good morning, everyone. This is Rajkumar Shivare, Faculty of Mathematics at Mount Lataji School, Jhansi. Today I am going to teach you another topic of matrix, that is minors and cofactors. So let us start. What is minors? The minors Mij, minors are denoted by capital M, and this is the I and J, which say that minors belongs to ith row and jth column. So the minors Mij are obtained by leaving ith row and jth column of a square matrix. Okay, so take an example. Let A equal to 1 2 3 4. This is 2 by 2 matrix, and we have to find the minors of this matrix. So M11, how can you find M11? That is, leave first row and first column. So leave first row and first column, 4 is left, so 4 is the minor. After this, M12, so leave first row and second column, first row and second column, 3 is the minor. Similarly, M21, M22. So these are the minors. Now, what are cofactors? The cofactors of a square matrix can be obtained by, this is the formula of cofactors. Cij equals to minus 1 to the power I plus j into Mij. Mij is the minor. So let us take an example. Matrix A equal to this much, find the cofactors. So C11, minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into M11. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, 2, that is even number, so it will be plus, and put the value of M11. So M11, how can you find? First row and first column, leave it, and 4 is the minor. Similarly, you can find C12, C22, C21. After this, next topic is determinant. What is determinant? So every square matrix, here it is compulsory that matrix should be square matrix. So every square matrix can be associated to an expression or a number which is called determinants. किसी भी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स को हम एक वैल्यू में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, उस वैल्यू को determinant बोलते हैं. So take an example. I am taking a 2 by 2 matrix, and determinants is represented by this sign. It looks like a modulus, but don't say it is a mod. Read it as determinant A. So here is the symbol of determinant. Now what we should do after this? This is the principal diagonal. So please do the product of the element on the principal diagonal, and again this is called off diagonal. Do the product of the element of the off diagonal like this: 1 into 4 and 3 into 2, and in between these two we put a minus sign. We have to subtract. After calculation we will get 4 minus 6, that is minus 2. So this is minus 2 is the determinant of this matrix. Okay, so we see that this whole matrix is converted into a single digit, single value, numerical value, and which is called determinant. Okay, so this is the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Now similarly we can find determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. So I am taking an example. This matrix is 3 by 3 order, and we have to find its determinant. So here is the process. Now in this case we have to express from where we have to expand this. So expand along R1. R1 means this is R1, and along this we have to find the determinant of this matrix. So first of all, write this 1 and leave first row and first column. These 4 digits are visible. So write these two. After this प्लस माइनस प्लस ये ऑल्टरनेटली चलेगा, तो यहाँ पे -2 आ गया. अब अगेन लीव फर्स्ट रो एंड सेकंड कॉलम. we will get 4 3 2 2. And after this, leave first row and third column. So these four values are visible. Write this. Now we know that how we can solve this. Multiply this and this in this way. After calculation, you will get 13. So 13 is the determinant of this matrix. Okay, I hope you will getting my point very easily. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.